Okay, so there are 5 super easy steps you need to follow in order to update your firmware on the EOS R, and it's so easy you could probably even skip step number 1. Step 1, put your camera into P mode, then open the menu and go to the 6th page of the wrench icon. If you look right at the bottom, you'll see your current firmware. Now you don't have to do anything with it yet, but it's good to make a mental note of which firmware you're on right now. Done. Step 2, go to the Canon website. I went to usa.canon.com. In your part of the world, it might be a little bit different, so just search Canon EOS R firmware update and it'll take you to whatever website Canon has set up for you. Once you're here, click on support, drivers and downloads, EOS and Rebel digital cameras, then find the EOS R, and it says firmware update now available. So click on drivers and downloads, firmware, and you'll see right here they have the latest firmware 1.40 and they have it for Mac and Windows. So click whatever operating system you have, agree to the terms of service, and then click download and you're good to go. Once your file has finished downloading, you should have a zip file on your computer. Right click, extract all. Pretty similar process on a Mac. Extract, and then you'll get a folder here, and open the folder, and inside you should have a file that says .fir, and that's what you're going to be looking for in step 4. Step 3, grab a memory card. Make sure it's empty because you are going to format it. Canon suggests using a memory card between 64 and 128 gigabytes in capacity. So grab your card. When you're ready, go to the wrench icon, page 1 at the bottom of that screen. You'll see the option to format your card. Go ahead and do that. You're done. Step 4, take your freshly formatted memory card, pop it into your computer. It's right here. Then take the FIR file and just drag it over and copy it onto the memory card. Don't put it in any subfolders or anything like that, just in the main folder, and that is it. All right, people of the internet, are you ready? It's step 5, the last and final step to installing your firmware. There is no turning back now, so here we go. Take the memory card with the FRI file out of your computer, pop it into your camera. Make sure your camera's still in P mode. Go to the wrench icon. Page 6, scroll down to the bottom where it says firmware, hit the set button on your camera, which should be in the middle of that thumb dial on the right side, and then follow the instructions to install the firmware. I already installed my firmware, so I can't show you this on the screen, but it's pretty simple. Just hit OK, confirm, something like that, and then there'll be a progress bar. It takes a minute or 2 to install, and that is that. You have a brand new camera with brand new features. Go out and enjoy it and shoot tons of photos. Alright, as promised for you video shooters, this is how you turn on eye detect autofocus. First hit the mode dial, go to video mode, hit the menu, go into the menu, autofocus tab, scroll down, you should see eye detection AF. It's disabled, hit the set button, set it to enabled, and there you go. Now you can track eyes in video. And this is pretty cool. I'm going to make another video after this one, and I'll do a little demonstration test to actually test out the eye autofocus and see how it works compared to the Sony a7 III, which I used to own. So I'll try and compare the two cameras and give you my thoughts on that. That'll be the next video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more of this kind of stuff. Hit the bell icon so you get notified when I drop new videos, and peace out. I will see you guys in the next one.